You will find many of the guidelines provided by the regulatory agencies and provided by the pharmacopoeias on the dissolution testing, because dissolution testing is very important considering the in vitro testing and also in vivo response. I welcome all the viewers to this video, which is mainly based on the dissolution testing guidelines. And in this video you will find that many guidelines are available, and these guidelines are required to be known to the professionals. These guidelines are provided for the dissolution method development, dissolution parameters setting, method validation, and many more. USP has provided the guidelines, USFD has provided the guidelines, EMA, ANVISA, WHO, ICH, British Pharmacopoeia, FIP, Indian Pharmacopoeia, and many other regulatory agencies has provided the guidelines. USP provides the chapters and reference for the dissolution testing. USP 711, 724, 1092, 1090 are the chapters related to the dissolution testing. I request you to go through these chapters so that you will have the in-depth understanding about the dissolution related guidelines. US FDA has provided many guidelines and guidances. Then dissolution database is there, which is uh, having the various dissolution methods which are drug specific or product specific. Then SUPAC guidelines are there. Then dissolution testing guidelines for the IR formulations, for the MR formulations are there by the US FDA. Then based on the BCS class, the BioWaiver guideline is also there. There is a guideline published in the year of 2018 for the IR formulation containing BCS class 1 and 3 drugs. Then product specific guidances are also there, which provides you the requirement for the dissolution testing. Product specific B guidances includes in vitro dissolution criteria and the expectations of the agency. EMA, ANVISA and WHO has provided their guidelines. EMA provides the guideline on investigation of bioequivalence, dissolution specification for the generic IR formulations and modified release formulations, and also the MR products quality part, that is dissolution focused guideline. ANVISA Brazil provides the requirements for dissolution in IR and MR products and also provides the BioWaiver and dissolution data requirement for the equivalence. Then it also provides validation of dissolution method related guidances. WHO provides guidelines for the dissolution testing. It has provided guideline on dissolution testing of solid oral dosage forms, registration requirement for multi-source generic drugs, and also product specific guidances including the dissolution specifications. ICH has published different guidelines. ICH Q6A, Q2R2 and ICH M9 are mainly related to the dissolution testing. Q6A is for the specifications for dissolution testing. Q2R2 is for validations. ICH M9 is for the BCS based biowaivers. British Pharmacopoeia provides the general chapters and individual monographs. Also, in line to this, USP provides the monographs, and in monograph you can get the dissolution method and also dissolution specifications. Then FIP, International Pharmaceutical Federation, has provided different guidelines on dissolution testing, in vitro drug release, best practices for developing discriminatory dissolution, and global harmonization. Often reference dissolution data to support BCS-based regulatory approvals. So FIP BioViewer monograph is there, FIP working group reports are there to be referred, and FIP AAPS joint documents are there related to the dissolutions. Japanese Pharmacopoeia provides the dissolution testing related guidances, and JP monographs are there which contain specific dissolution specification and sampling times. Then the specific pharmacopoeias are required to be followed. Specific country specific guidelines are required to be followed to register the specific product in that country. Health Canada provides the guidance for industry and also provides post notice of compliance changes into the dissolution method wherever these are applicable. And product filed through Canada for generic or new molecules or new drugs are required to meet the requirements provided by the Health Canada. TGA Australia has provided also the guidelines requirement for the dissolution testing of OTC medicines and the prescription medicines. So the TGA guidelines are useful for filing the product in Australia and also in the ROW countries. EDQM, European Directorate for Quality Medicines, has provided the monographs which are commonly called as PHUR monographs and the guidances. ISO and ASTM International provides guideline onto the dissolution. ASTM guidelines are there, ISO standards are there which are also important. Indian Pharmacopoeia provides general chapters on dissolution testing and provides the specific monograph for the formulations. So specific guidelines are required to be followed for the drug registration, and also these guidelines help you to develop the dissolution method, validate the dissolution and make the QC dissolution method. Also these guidelines help you to do the query response. I hope this video will help you to get the understanding about dissolution guidelines. There are other many guidelines related to dissolution testing. So one by one you can learn and you can implement the learning in your day-to-day dissolution related work. Thank you for watching the video.